So now I'm going to explain to you the process of how you post a job in Naukri. The first thing, of course, you will go is you will go into the first frame, which is this, which is get started. So you press the get started button at the top of the frame, and then you will go into a login. Now there are three ways. Suppose you're signing up right at the beginning, you will sign up here for free. And if you're signing in after the first time, you can either use your Gmail account or you can use an email account as per you, and then you just press sign in. So that's the first thing that you will do. After that, you will go to services. So there'll be a dashboard that will open up to you, and there is services. Within services, you create your job. So you press create, and then it will ask you all the details. Not only that, suppose you want to put in the technical interview. Suppose you have a technical interview, you can put in the questions here. Suppose there's an HR interview that you'd like to have, the HR interview, you can put in the questions here. And if there are MCQs, you put the MCQs here at the bottom. Now once you've done that, then you go into sorry, then you go into the job itself. So you've got the job title, whether you're working from home, all of the details. Remember that you should be filling in this form as much detail as possible. Why? Because only then will AI be able to help you in shortlisting the right candidate for yourself. That is very, very, very important. Now after you've done that, suppose you have any skills to be put in. So you put all of the skills in. You can put in qualifications, you can put in a salary, you can put in an as detailed job description and responsibility. This is very important. Why? Because then AI knows exactly what you're looking at as far as a recruitment is concerned. So remember, fill this in as much detail as possible. Now once you've done that, you will get your posting. This is what your posting is going to look like on Naukri. So all the job details are available here. Once you've done that, if you would like to share this link, say you want to share it on your office email, or you want to share it on social media, you can share it via this screen. There's the share button here, which allows you to share as per the screen. Now after you've done that, you can after you've done that, you now when you come back after you posted the job, you will get a vision of exactly how many jobs you posted, whether the tests and interviews have been taken by AI or not. And then suppose you want to review the candidates, the list of candidates, it becomes much easier for you because you can see them at one glance. So it is much easier for you to recruit. After that, what is it? Oh sorry, this one's not loading, but there it is. Thank you.